What's up guys, this is chapter 4 I believe. This is more of the comp side. I'm just going to give a brief overview of what I did and how I went about doing it. So yeah, this is what we got out of the Maya scene. I've got my normals, position, RGB lights, cryptomat and depth channel, which is great. So this is the render. You can see that reflection that I added of my partner walking sort of helps blend it in a lot better. And then essentially what I did was just did some subtractive comping on passes that I thought were useful. So I did some light groups, transmission, I just added some grades here and there. Then I did some utility stuff, so adding some noise breakup and stuff like that, just to help add some realism, so like dirt on the underside, stuff like that. Then I did my grading. Can delete those. Yes, I am sure. Can delete those. So this is the black and white points and just matching it by eye. Then I went into some integration, so more like any subtle glows and aberration or anything like that. I don't think I did too much. You want to keep it subtle, but it just sort of helps blend in with the plate. This is my plate over here, and what I eventually ended up doing, I didn't want to render the shadow pass for all the frames, and because the object isn't moving, in my eyes I just projected from one frame onto the plate, and that is match moved in because I used the camera. And then on top of that I did the roto, which is over here. So you can see I've just got my roto that I spent ages doing. We can crop that. And then I did some edge treatment, so I think I just used PXF distort just to do some edge work. So yeah, if I switch that on and off, you can see I got rid of that edge. I add some of this detail back using some min operations and max operations. So I wanted to get more of the strings, and you can see I'm adding more, and that's just using a min operation with a mask of the roto eroded out, I believe. Yeah, so I just eroded that out, and then when you put that over, you can add some more edges, and then obviously the roto on top. This is still a work in progress grade because you can see she's a lot darker than that, but for the most part, yeah, it's starting to come together. Let me play this. Again, grading is work in progress on this, but everything will be on Patreon for download. I'm gonna go back to grading, integrate it a little bit more with some general black and white points, and yeah, I think that's starting to look good together. I think I may go back to rendering as well, just to change a few settings, but yeah, I think for the most part it's starting to work. A short chapter, but general integrations like a subtle haze or glow. Yeah, I hope that was somewhat useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Alright, bye.